Hey, welcome back everybody to the Grand Shamrock Tour. This is a follow-up review of the amazing Veridian electronic cruise control. Now I say amazing, I don't throw that word around too loosely. This thing is amazing. And I say that because if you've been out on the road and you just got finished doing 200 miles and you got home and your wrist isn't sore, you might want to thank the people at Veridian Cruise Control because this thing worked flawlessly. Now, is it something you use all the time? You're not going to use anything on our bikes all the time. So it is one of the things that when I needed it on a long straight stretch and I just wanted to relax my wrist, it's a simple hit the button and she's good to go. I went through this system, every single condition that I would encounter or you would encounter out on the road. I put this thing through the test. So we did uphills, we did downhills, we did twisties, we did low speed, high speed.
55 around the corner, no problem. No problem.
It worked flawlessly, and it kept the speed range exactly within 1 mile per hour. And I mean that because you never know if you set it at 67 or 68. And if it was at 67, it might tap 68, but it didn't drop 66. It literally stayed right where it was supposed to stay. And that was great. And I had this girl on a BMW behind me. She was kind of a nice looking gal. And that BMW has the electronic cruise control, which was thousands of dollars in their package. And it was exactly the same. And if you want to be honest, one of these bikes held more steady than the other. And I'm not going to tell you which one. Anyway, I really want to thank the people at Veridian Cruise Control because they make a really great product that I have no problem telling you should probably buy. If you use Shamrock, now we are an affiliate with them now because I reached out to them, they reached back to me, and they will give you 12% off if you buy the product from it, if you use the Shamrock code. So please use that because it also tells them that, hey, this thing worked for me and it will work for you too, I promise you that. That being said, check them out. If you don't have a Transalp, they make a wide line of the cruise controls for lots of different bikes. So check them out. Thanks for checking in with us. And please, I will not steer you wrong. If I don't like something, I'm gonna tell you I didn't like it. This is a absolute joy addition to your motorcycle, and I would encourage you to at least check them out. I want to thank the people at Veridian Cruise Control. I want to thank you guys for tuning up. Give me a blue thumb if you feel right about this, and please subscribe. We're really close to reaching out to more people, and that really will help us. And so we want to be part of that community that we love motorcyclists, and we're glad you came along for this one. I want you to travel safe, and we'll see you out on the road.